I just now realized I forgot a mirror, but I think something... Oh, and my eyebrows are not plucked. My bad. Oh well, we're just gonna do makeup with unplugged eyebrows, I guess. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae, and today I'm going to be doing a full face of Shop Missy makeup. I was supposed to do this a while ago, like 2 weeks ago, maybe longer, most likely longer, and I never did it because I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna do it now when I have nothing to do, which I never have anything to do, but whatever. Oh, and I've been breaking out lately. I don't usually get any pimples, maybe 1 or 2 occasionally, but like that's a lot of acne for me. Oh, excuse you, exposure, go somewhere. I'm gonna try to move my bangs out the way. I'm gonna look stupid, but whatever. Okay. I'm just gonna get stuff out. I think I have everything with me, but I'm like not sure whatsoever. I look glowy, but like, I don't know why. Bro, I haven't done makeup in so long, I don't even remember what I do usually. Okay, first, I'm just gonna use this tinted brow gel for my eyebrows, just to start off, whatever. It's this AOA Studio Go Brow Tinted Eyebrow Gel. I don't freaking know. It's like wearing off the letters already. I don't know why. I've used this a couple times, I'm not even gonna lie. And I wasn't supposed to use this until I made this video, but my bad. But it's in the shade medium brown. I'm gonna just start off using that. That scared me. Oh my god, guys, guess what? Guess what? We're almost at 300 subscribers. I'm excited. And that video, that one video is almost at 50,000 views. Okay, I'm searching for my eyebrow brush now. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. She's hard to find sometimes, you know, she likes hiding. This one needs to be spooled out because, oh my god, way too much product got into it. I did it, almost poked myself in the eyeball. Whatever. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using this AOA Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade in the shade, I think, Caramel. Guys, guess what? I'm trying to speak here. I've actually been working out lately. Not working out, but like I've been walking. Like I've been going on walks. I walked 3 miles today. That's a lot for me because I never get out of like the house. I never leave, like I never get off the couch, you know, never. I stay on there and that's where I live, literally. Okay, let's see how this goes. I don't know how pigmented this stuff is. I'm gonna do this eyebrow first because A, I think this is too light, and B, this stuff is kind of really, I don't know if it's the eyebrow gel or the pomade, but like really waxy kind of, like, you know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean. I don't know. I just don't know. We should probably just go for a natural look today because I don't know how this is going so far. My boob is coming out my bra. I mean, that's probably TMI. You guys probably didn't care about that, did you? Probably not. Okay, for concealer to conceal these brows, I'm going to be using this AOA Studio Liquid Concealer. It's Pop liquid, I don't freaking know. It says Pop, you know, it's the charity one, you know, yeah. And the shade Porcelain. Yep. I hate it. And my foot's going numb now. So like, that is where I am in life right now. Hating my life and my eyebrows. I'm done. I'm fucking done. So I got this eyeshadow palette, right? I'm gonna have to use some in its brow powder. Okay. It's this Malibu Glitz Eyes to Go 5 color eyeshadow palette. Right here. And I'm just gonna use the darkest brown in there. And this one right here. I'm putting that on my sparse areas of my brows. My brows have seen better days, you know. They've looked better before, you know. It's the best I could do. I'm going back in with this brow stuff, right? The brow gel. Yep. Since it's darker, I'm just gonna put some on my eyebrow brush, right? Fix this one. This one's the problem, I think. We're going somewhere. I mean, we're getting somewhere. No, we're not going nowhere. Okay. This is the best it's getting. I've been doing my eyebrows for almost a half hour. We're gonna go into eyes. And again, I'm gonna go in. Wait, give me a second. I found her. I'm gonna go with that same concealer again, and I'm just gonna prime my eyes with it, you know? Alright, eyes primed. Boom. I have this, you know, that same eyeshadow palette, Malibu. Malibu Glitz. I'm gonna just go in with this shade right here. Ooh, that stuff is real powdery. Be careful. Really powdery. My fucking foot is still numb. Is that even? I don't even know. Even. Okay, now I'm gonna go into this darker shade right here. Wow, an eye booger. Is that an eye booger? Sure is. Now I'm going to take this Celavi. Guys, I don't know. This eyeshadow dual paint and the shade coral, and there's 2 shades. There's like a darker shade and then a lighter shade. What shade am I gonna use? Probably the lighter one. I'm going with that, we're going with this darkest brown and this palette and deepen it up a little bit in the outer and inner corners. Okay, this is the best I'm doing for the eyes. I'm going to be using mascara now, and for mascara I'm using this AOA Studio Skinny mascara. It's for your under lashes, but oh well, it's the one I got. It's the one I gotta use. I didn't get primer because I don't necessarily prime like that, so I'm just gonna go on to foundation. And for foundation I got this BR foundation stick in the shade Porcelain. I never use foundation sticks, so let's see how this goes. I've actually never used a foundation stick. Is this how you do it? I think that's how you do it. I don't know why I put so much on my forehead. Nobody ever sees my forehead, but whatever. And I actually got a foundation brush from Shop Miss A, if I can find it. Give me a second. I got this AOA Studio high def brush, an F4. It's actually pretty good. Okay, so A, not that much coverage, and B, It's not blending out that well. My main problem is on my cheeks. They're really red. Oh, I got a junkie living next door to me. Keeps walking back and forth. Don't look at me, mother. Ah, he's looking at me. I don't like making eye contact with drug addicts. It's awkward. This man keeps looking at me. Why? Now I'm going in with that, focus you eyes again, that AOA concealer again in the shade Porcelain. This concealer actually isn't bad. It got pretty good coverage. And now I'm gonna go in with this AOA Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Soft Light. Tell me why I'm just not realizing there's a piece of tape over this and I don't know how to get it off because I have nails on. Wait, I have tweezers. Bingo. I'm gonna go in with the brush now and put on the rest of the powder because it's just gonna be easier. Now I'm gonna just bronze. Why not? For bronzer, I'm gonna be using this Malibu Glitz face powder in the shade medium, I think. I don't know because it's not on here, but I'm like pretty sure it's the shade medium. I don't know. This is going bad. Like, I can't catch a break. My leg was going numb. I had to switch positions. And this is like really, really orange. Question is, can I find a way to make this cute? We're gonna see. I literally have an orange nose right now. I look sun-kissed. Sun-kissed. Just gonna get this and go over it. And hope and pray that helps. Is it helping? I don't know. My nose looks crooked as hell because it low-key kind of is. Wait, I think that's helping. Yay. Okay. That's as best it's gonna get. Now for blush, I'm going into blush. Yes, I'm going into blush. For blush, I'm gonna be using this Malibu Glitz. I don't think I said that right. Blush in the shade Orchid.
What's going on in here?
Nothing.
That lady's got green hair like you. Is that you?
Yeah.
Who are you talking to?
Making a YouTube video.
Huh?
Making a YouTube video.
Oh. You rock everywhere you go, don't you?
That's my grandfather. He's mean to me. I'm just kidding. He is mean to me most of the time, but he's fine.
I had no idea what he just said. He was just talking and I smiled. So he thought I knew what he was saying.
So I'm just gonna go with this blush. Alright, that's good enough. I'm gonna do my lower lash and get that over with. I just grabbed a random brush, which probably already has color on it. I think it's purple. Who gives? Well, I'm back in with that eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna use this brown shade right here and run that on my lower lash line. Now I'm just gonna do my lower lash mascara with that same AOA mascara. Probably I'm going to be using this AOA Velour highlighter in the shade Lucky. Not thinking, this is kind of like a cream highlighter, and I probably should put this on before I powdered, but oh well. I'm just going to put it on with my finger. Highlighter's done. I'm gonna do eyelashes now. Okay. For eyelashes, I got these AOA Studios Violet eyelashes. I don't know how good these are gonna be. Hopefully they're cute. I don't know, guys. But I'm just gonna glue these on. I should have brought an eyelash color because these are not. Girl, these are straight as hell. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using this AOA Super Strip Lash Adhesive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, like, I'm trying my best over here. Get these eyelashes to look semi-decent. It's just not happening, you know? I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit more, and then I'm gonna curl them and see how they look. Alright. For lip liner, I'm gonna go in with this AOA Studio Wonder Lip Liner in the shade Bombshell, but I have to sharpen it because I already used it, and it wasn't that sharp when I got it. So. I cannot get this to sharpen right, so this is the best I can do. And I'm gonna go in with this Kleancolor Madly Matte lipstick in the shade My Tai. I'm gonna put that just in the center though. I'm almost done. All I need to do is curl these because they look like. Okay, I'm gonna curl these eyelashes, but I'm waiting for my sister to go get me my eyelash color. But when she's doing that, I'm just gonna set my face. I'm gonna using the Kleancolor Pro Sealer Matte Setting Spray. This isn't on Shop Miss A, but I forgot to get a setting spray, so I inhaled some of it.
She has like 5 different freaking eyelash colors.
I do. Alright, one, thank you.
Gosh. They both look exactly the same.
Oh, one of them are brand new. One I got for Christmas. I'm trying so hard to like these eyelashes, but it's just, I can't like these eyelashes. These eyelashes are ugly. I think that's one of my only complaints. Oh yeah, and the eyebrow stuff was not the right color. I'm not blaming the eyebrow stuff though, I just got the wrong color. And that foundation really stinks. Also, this liquid shadow is like really cracky, and yeah. That's about it. I really like the lip combo though. And the highlighter is really cute. And that's really, that powder for $1 is so good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell to be notified every time I post a video. Click that bell, okay? Plus, yeah, you know, you gotta subscribe. I'm so close to 300 subscribers. Can't speak, obviously, but oh well, I'm so close. My eyebrows look thick today, and they don't look the best, but that's fine. Comment down below any suggestions you guys have for another video. Follow me on all my social medias. They will be in the description below. Can't speak. I can never speak. Sounds like I'm out of breath, but I'm not. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye.